Guys, you will not believe where we are going today. So we're going to the On Top of the World Lounge at Bay Lake Tower to watch the Happily Ever After fireworks. But in the meantime, I'm waiting on Dom and Jerry to kill some time. I'm gonna tell you a little story about the time I went to DC with DCP Kermit. Now, I was in charge of chaperoning DCP Kermit. He was having a blast on the flight. He made some great friends. I spilled my soda and looked like I peed myself. Not my finest moment. All right, little buddy, we made it. We're in DC. Looks like I-4 over there. That's what you've been waiting for? Not to hug me, but to hug Kermit.
Here it comes.
Kermit's little leg is missing a little stuffing, so I was asking if we could help fix him.
No.
But what'd you say?
His muscles atrophied, and you can't do anything about that. He's old. You just have to just accept it. That's the way it is.
Alright, so I haven't been back to Maryland in a while, so I was super excited to see my dog Biscuit. But then when I was cronesing it up, I heard a noise. Got him. There's a bunny in the tub. Okay, now it's a parkour bunny. What are you doing? I guess my sister Kate owns a bunny now. Hey Kate, tell me your bathroom story about the bunny.
So I went to the bathroom and I let Kiki out of her cage. I stood up. Kiki jumped in the toilet as it was flushing. So I had to reach in because she couldn't get out as it was flushing her big butt down.
Something I was not expecting to see. But I had to show Kermit around town. You know, he had a wild ride, if you know what I mean. And we actually stopped by the firehouse. Today, Kermit is learning how to be a firefighter. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, little buddy. But then it was time to take my little buddy to Washington, D.C. But Washington, D.C. was kind of shut down. There it is. D.C. It's all gray and bland, but that's D.C. for you. So the government is currently shut down, so D.C. is pretty much empty. It's like apocalyptic movie. It's empty, it's too quiet. I don't like it.
DCP Kermit, welcome to Washington, D.C.
We met him a couple years ago. He was great.
Deep enough to be a toilet, big enough to be a urinal. Brought to you by the good people at Popeye's Chicken.
Guys, I'm inside his shelter right now. He said, watch out for nuggets. Wait, so chicken nuggets or what type of nuggets?
What?
Are you talking about pot?
I'm talking about that lovely green medicine. You know what, young man? You're not the man I am.
Well, little buddy, yep, that's the White House. The reason you can't go to any of the museums today. The amount of people that are here taking pictures is pretty empty. Alright, so sadly we can't go to any of the Smithsonian museums because of the shutdown. So we're going to the new museum because we have to pay for it, so it's open.
Kermit, welcome to the museum. That's the museum. Thank you. Oh yes, thank you.
How's everyone doing here?
So the west side had all the graffiti, but then you walk over to the east side and there's no graffiti. You got Willy Wonka's giant glass elevator. Wait, hold on. Scared?
Yeah, dude, I don't do good with heights. Oh, Jesus.
Wow. So the one big thing about the shutdown is, since the government's not running, nobody's picking up the trash in the National Mall, so everything is just overflowing. Welcome to the Washington Monument. See, at Disney, everybody walks by Kermit and they just smile. Here, they just give you the look like, what the f are you doing with your life? The reflection pool is kind of looking like the Vista Way Pond. Looks like there's more geese than politicians in DC right now. Then we got the Lincoln Memorial. Whole reason you walk up here, for that view. Okay, Dom and Jerry are almost ready. It's time to go to the Contemporary. We're gonna get something to eat and we're gonna meet some of our friends that are in town to go up to Bay Lake Tower on Top of the World Lounge, baby. Dom wants to check out all the special little villain treats at Contemporary Cafe. Alright, here they are, Dom. Who are you feeling like today, Dom?
The evil queen. The sassy evil queen.
Dom's personality and a dessert. So what, it's just cheesecake?
It's supposed to be a custard tart. It's the only The top layer has custard, and everything else is just a sponge. But hey, the fruit's good.
We have probably the most sugarousy thing. Is that a word?
The what?
Sugarousy.
Say that again.
Most sugarousy thing. The Captain Hook.
Let me see what Webster's got to say about that.
20 grams of sugar right there.
Probably more than that.
It's not a brownie like the lady told me. It's kind of like a dried out chocolate cake. We got that smokehouse burger. We got onion ring, a bacon jam. This is the rundown. Not the best quick service burger I've ever had. Best one, go to Caribbean Beach, get that chorizo burger. Now, Jared and Dom have never been to Bay Lake Tower to watch the fireworks from up there. But today, they're gonna become DVC members to get all the way up there.
Let me tell you, I worked a DVC event last night. I've never seen more ECVs in my life. There's just convoys of them, just rolling down, rolling down the street.
So Jonathan, thank you for letting us go up there with you guys. What does it feel like to be your royalty right now?
Yeah, royalty. It's the royal elevator.
16th floor. Is it up to your standard yet?
What? Smells good in here.
So look behind you at all the concept art back there. Time to see what the bathroom looks like. This is the world's smallest sink in the DVC. So small. The bathroom up here, 10 out of 10. Like this, I could like run laps in this stall. It's so big. Jared's own personal photographer. Jared, that photo is not Instagram worthy, I can tell you that.
It's portrait mode. I can't move any.
Well, if you're a dedicated photographer, you should get up. Oh, that's a truly good photo. Dom visits the Top of the World Lounge, and that's how we act.
One of the last.
Makes sense.
When you visit the Top of the World Lounge, but can't afford anything on the menu.
So Dom bought a drink. Jared is, waiting very. He's really waiting for his Coke. The bartender knows he's just getting this non-alcoholic drink. What'd you get?
You'll see. The only reason I got it is called the Little Monorail. It's a very cute name.
There's Jared's little monorail.
And it has orange juice and pina colada mix.
Good job!
2 ingredients. Hey, $5. How much you pay for your drink? Don't worry about it.
Is it Tropicana?
Oh yeah.
Are you living the dream?
I got some nice shade here. My little monorail.
Oh. Are you ready? Okay, so we're about an hour and a half into you drinking orange juice. Is it getting better with time?
It's watered down orange juice as ice. See, that's what I've been trying to do. I wait for the ice to melt so it waters it down. It's a little sugary.
All right, well, Jonathan and Brian, thank you guys so much for taking us up to DVC. 10 out of 10.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Okay, we're live on a case right now, but Keith.
This is Katrina Mo. We're currently on this little 192. Allison's gonna get some tacos. In other news, there is a big old mad buddy on the loose in downtown Orlando.
Here's your little churro twist, Keith.
Wait, I got information.
Oh, he's been censored.
This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Pure air with sugar.
Crunchy. They're good, delicious. Now we're gonna end the video with Kevin's grandma.
So we got her another turkey block for Christmas. Oh.
Hey Kermit, this is a turkey block. We put that in the winter there for the turkeys, okay? All right, so there's a turkey block for the turkeys.